Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take more questions relating to degree measure and radian measure. First question, find the degree measure. Radian measure is given, first part 11/16, second part -4 radian, third part 5 pi by 3 radian. If we take first part, since we know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree, and 11/16 radian is 180 over pi into 11/16. We can put value of pi 22/7. It is 180 into 7/22 into 11/16. So simplify this. We are left with 315 over 8 degree, which can be converted into mixed fraction 39 3 by 8 degree. As we have done in previous questions also, we shall write it as 39 degree plus 3 over 8 degree. Now this fractional part we shall convert into minutes by multiplying this by 60 is equal to 39 degree plus 3 over 8 into 60. It will become minutes. So this is equal to 39 degree plus 45 by 2 minutes is equal to 39 degree plus 22.5 minutes. Again, which can be written as 39 degree plus 22 minutes plus a half minute. Again, this fractional minute, we shall change this into second by multiplying by 60 because there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. 39 degree plus 22 minutes plus half into 60, this will be 30 seconds. So we have 39 degree, 22 minutes, 30 seconds. This is the answer. Then we take second part. Second part, -4. We take -4 radian. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. -4 radian is equal to 180 over pi into -4 is equal to 180 into 7/22 into -4. This will be minus 2520 over 11 degree. We shall convert this into mixed fraction by dividing. It is minus 229 1 by 11 degree. So we shall write it as 229 degree plus 1 over 11 degree. We shall convert this fractional part into minute by multiplying by 60. 229 degree plus 1 over 11 into 60 minutes. So again we shall convert this into mixed fraction 229 degree plus it will be, sorry, this is minus. Why? Because we have minus. It is minus. All these are negative. Minus, minus 5, 5 by 11 minutes. Again, we shall separate the fractional part. It will be minus 229 degree, minus 5 minutes, minus 5 over 11 minutes. We shall convert this fractional part into seconds by multiplying by 60. Minus 229 degree, minus 5 minutes, minus 5 over 11 into 60 seconds. So it will be minus 229 degree minus 5 minutes and minus approximately 27 seconds. So it will be minus 229 degree 5 minutes 27 seconds. Then third part, third part 5 pi, third part pi radian is equal to 180 degree. 5 pi over 3 radian is equal to 180 over pi into 5 pi by 3. Cancel this. So it is 300 degree. 300 degree. Second question. A wheel makes 360 revolutions. A wheel makes 360 revolutions. 360 revolutions in 1 minute. In 1 minute. Through how many radians? Through how many radians? How many radians does it turn in 1 second? In 1 second. Solution. Number of revolutions. Number of revolutions made in 1 minute is equal to 360. Number of revolutions made in 1 second is 360 by 360. 6 revolutions. So 6 revolutions are made in 1 revolution. Now since angle made in 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi radians, 2 pi radians, therefore angle made in 1 second, angle made in 6 revolution, angle made in 6 revolution is 2 pi into 6. It is 12 pi radians. 12 pi radians. Then we take next question. Next question. Third question. Question third. Find the degree measure of the angle. Find the degree measure of the angle. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle. Subtended at the center of a circle. Center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter. Of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length. By an arc of length 22 centimeter. Pi is 22 by 7. Solution. Now we have length of arc L is 22 centimeter and radius R is 100 centimeter. So we can find theta in radian. We know that since theta is equal to L over R, so we shall substitute values 22 over 100. It is 11 over 50 radians. Now we can convert this into degree. Now since pi radian is equal to 180 degree, 11 over 50 radians is equal to 180 over pi into 11 over 50 is equal to 180 into 7 over 22 into 11 over 50. We can simplify this. So we are left with 63 over 5 degree. We convert this into fraction. 12 3 by 5 degree. We can write it as 12 degree plus 3 over 5 degree. We can convert the fractional part into minutes by multiplying by 60. So it is 12 degree plus 3 over 5 into 60 minute is equal to 12 degree 30 plus 36 minutes. So the answer is 12 degree 36 minutes. So that's all. In the next video we shall take more questions relating to degree measure and radian measure. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.